hi. We're going to Juro's Christmas party at school. Okay, our car is parking down there. That's why we have to go walk, because here in San Francisco it's so hard to look for parking, especially if you're late and we don't have any driveway, so we have to go walk all the way down. And it's too windy today. That's why Juro have a heavy jacket on him. And our car is just down there. That's why when you park downhill, you have to do your curve like that. And you don't block the driveway or the sidewalk, because you're gonna get a ticket. $110 ticket. Just like me, last 2 weeks I got a ticket for $110 for just a little bit tiny blocking of that driveway. So there's our car over there. Okay, where's Juro? Okay, you gotta wait over there. Juro, you gotta stop over there, okay? Don't cross the street. You have to wait for mommy. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is a long walk, a good exercise. Say hi. Hi, friends. Hi, everyone. Okay. There we go. Juro, can you stop, please? Okay, stop. Stop. Don't cross the street or else the car will hit you. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's go. Okay. Go cross on the side, on the pedestrian. Okay. Okay, look for our car. It's over there. Black car is there. Say hi. We're here now, so we have to park it properly or else mommy's gonna get a ticket. Okay, where's my key? Oh man, where's my key? Okay, give me a second. Okay, Juro, I want you to sit down on your chair now. Come on, please. You have to wear your seat belt, okay? And you gotta sit down on your car seat, okay? For safety. Okay, can you sit down, please? Okay, where are you?
Up here.
Okay, can you please sit down? Okay. Okay. Okay, give me your jacket. Okay, sit down, please.
I can open it.
Okay, Juro, you gotta sit down first, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, give me a second. Gotta sit down and put your seat belt for safety, okay? Because we don't want to get accident.
Huh?
Okay?
What?
If you don't want, if you're not gonna wear your seat belt, then you're gonna get accident. Okay? And we don't want that to happen. So that's why you need to wear your seat belt and you have to wear it again over here, and you're gonna go sit down in your car seat. Okay, buddy? Okay. Okay, say bye-bye, friends, because we're going now. We're going to drive, and it's not safe to go on video when driving. Say bye.
Bye.